Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with less, and today I thought I would do a video that I haven't done in ages and not since we moved into our new home, which is my laundry routine. So laundry is one of those inevitable parts of life, and so I'm going to share with you some of my favorite tips for getting it done quicker, how I get it done efficiently, how I get my kids to help, and how I keep on top of it. Now, I actually filmed this video over a couple of days because, as luck would have it, we had a few storms roll in every time I tried to shoot. So if you see me change clothes, you'll know why. I also wanted to say that, everyone's situation is different. Some of us have lots of kids, some of us have a few kids, some of us have no kids, but please just take what you want and leave what you don't. I actually really love laundry. I love cleaner clothes, I love the smells, I love the whole thing. The only thing I'm not too keen on is putting the laundry away, but I have some tricks that I use to keep that as easy as possible. I remember when I first got married, another really lovely mum shared with me that whenever she is putting her kids' clothes away, that she feels like it's a little present of love every time she folds their clothes. And so when I'm doing it, I like to think of it as a gift to my kids, and it's really changed my mentality around laundry. So if you guys are struggling with laundry or you would like to share some tips, I'd love to hear from you down in the comments, and I hope you enjoy this video. The first thing I like to do is just go and collect all the laundry from all the parts of the house, because is there anything worse than doing what you think is all the laundry and then finding more? So I go in and I collect it all and I take it into the laundry ready to sort.
I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4.
I like to do one load of laundry every day, and on this particular day I had a slight backlog because we'd gone to a water park on the weekend, so I had a few extra loads sitting around. So that's great because I can show you exactly how I do a little bit of everything. So what I'm doing now is I'm sorting, and I like to sort not by color or by clothing type, but by how I'm going to either hang it or fold it to put it away. So I am just making a load of linen, folded clothes and hanging clothes, and then I'll go through and sort them into loads. I don't worry about colors. I've never had a problem with colors running. I just throw it all in the washing machine. I have a LG washer dryer, which I absolutely love. It works so well. I don't use the dryer very often, but it does work when I need it if we have a heap of rainy days, and it is the perfect minimalist washing machine and dryer.
Taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4.
I absolutely love these grey dirty clothes baskets. I use the grey baskets for dirty clothes and the white baskets for clean clothes. They're super easy to move around, and they are the best investment. When I have a backlog of laundry, I like to make sure that I'm getting in and changing the loads as quickly as possible. One of the things I like to do is, as I'm going through all of the clothes, is putting anything into a delicates bag and stain treating anything as it's going into the washing machine, and everything comes out so much better when I spend a few extra minutes at this end of the load.
Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same. How that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor.
So we live in a very warm climate, so I have the benefit of being able to hang out my clothes all year round. One of the things I absolutely love is these little trees with little pegs on them. I use them mainly for the kids' underwear and any socks, but it's way easier to hang them out, and it's also great if you've had a few rainy days that you can hang those items out inside if you need to. I like to hang as many clothes as possible, so one of the things I quickly do while my washing is still in the machine is just run through and grab any coat hangers that are still in the wardrobes. That way I've got heaps there to start hanging the clothes on as soon as they come out of the wash. The reason I love hanging clothes straight on their hangers is because, one, I actually hate putting folded clothes away, and this is way quicker and way easier. I also find that the clothes come out less creased because they've been hanging on a coat hanger. And if you have little girls in your life that are anything like mine, they like to be able to see all of their clothing choices before they make a decision. And so if everything's hanging up in their wardrobe, they can flick through all of the options without making a giant mess in their drawer.
I'm looking for a place where I can feel alive, where I can let you go and just be for a while. I got you on my mind, I ain't gonna die. No, I'm about I hope I met somebody who's better than you, that likes me for the things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about play together, play together. We're running out of light. Time is changing day to night. Lines are fading out, and we're dancing in the park. Nothing's wrong with when I start, 'cause you look better in the dark. Oh, counting days, I made it through without someone like you.
As I'm bringing in all of the hanging stuff, I just try and pick it up in the correct order of what I'm going to put it away, so I know whose closet it belongs to, and then I can hang it straight up in their closet and I'll have all of their items together.
Oh, my body and my soul don't wanna be whole. For you I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on, 'cause I will find the way on my own. Now life is happening and I don't wanna miss a thing. Letting go is
I don't know about you guys, but I love to wash all the random things. Whether it's sneakers, soft toys, lunch boxes, or school bags, I pop them in a delicates bag, chuck them in the washing machine, and they come out good as new. Also, Does anyone else do a happy dance when they reach the end of their laundry basket?
Why I'm out of control. My body and my soul don't wanna be whole. For you, I'm just unknown.
I actually only fold every 2 days. So even though I wash every day, I wait for it to build up to 2 baskets full and then I do it all in one go. I usually like to watch something. I actually timed myself on this particular day and it took me 10 minutes to fold 2 baskets of laundry, and then it was all done, including this extra stuff which was like swimmers and towels and all that sort of thing. And then I get my kids to help me put it away.
'Cause I will find the way on my own. 'Cause I am control. My body and my soul don't wanna be whole. I don't wanna be. For you, I'm just unknown. And you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind to move on. Oh, 'cause I will find the way on my own. Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is
I am super relaxed with how my kids put their laundry away. As you will see, I have one little girl who just chucks it in, and then I have another little girl who likes it put in her special way. As long as the clean clothes end up with the other clean clothes and the dirty clothes end up in the dirty clothes basket, I am super happy.
And ooh, 'cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Oh, now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some tips to make your laundry routine just a little bit easier. If you're new here, we would absolutely love to have you subscribe. Please like this video if you would like to see more videos like this. Here's some videos we think you might like, and I will catch you guys in the next one.